big boat.
It's in the...
You want to throw some new line on that reel real quick so you can cast it? No, no. Yeah, good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'll tell you what. Keep going. Right, keep going a little more. Okay, nice. Stop.
Wow, that's a lot of line. That's gonna get wet.
All right.
What, you gotta stop so fast.
Okay, you hold up. I'll grab mine.
Here's Daddy name. Oh.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Here, and I'm gonna let you fish for perch and crappie, and I'm gonna keep going to swim baits. What do you think? It's windy today, and they're all blowing and falling on the ground. We have grubs and some more swim baits, so we're good. We have plenty of baits.
That means it's green.
Okay, now you ready? We got a steer out there. Bye, Vegas.
Hi. Oh, wow. I gotta get on.
Go down. There you go. Head there and get some of that tank. You just keep going.
Bye-bye.
Good job, Vegas.
Now, good.
What do you do when you get a bite?
Jacket.
Yeah.